How many days are in a full week? 7. Which popular sport uses a bat and a small hard ball? Baseball. Which common farm animal lives both in water and on land? Duck. How many centimeters are in 1 meter? 100. Which part of your body is protected by your skull? Brain. Which large black bird is known for its loud caw sound? Raven. Which continent is the country of South Sudan located on? Africa. Which natural material is used to make glass and is often found at the beach? Sand. Which colorful bird is known for its ability to copy human speech? Parrot. What is the total of 50 plus 35? 85. Which tropical fruit is yellow and covered in a thick peel? Banana. What does the phrase break a leg mean when said to an actor? Good luck. What is the capital city of France? Paris. Which planet is closest to the Sun? Mercury. Which sea animal has 8 arms? Octopus. Which item is worn on your feet to protect them? Shoes. Which small, round fruit grows on vines and is used to make wine? Grape. What is the element we need to breathe to live? Oxygen. What is the name of the white outer layer of the tooth? Enamel. What is the main liquid part of blood called? Plasma. Which large farm animal is known for giving us milk? Cow. Which red round fruit is often called an apple a day? Apple. What is the main language spoken in China? Mandarin. Which ancient civilization invented the concept of zero? Maya. What does the abbreviation DIY stand for? Do it yourself. Which country is the home of the Great Wall? China. How many minutes are in one full hour? 60. Which sea creature uses its ink to escape from danger? Squid. Which gas is the most common in the air we breathe? Nitrogen. What unit is used to measure the weight of an object? Kilogram. How many minutes are there in half an hour? 30. Which food is made from milk and is often yellow or white? Cheese. Which country is famous for inventing sushi and samurai? Japan. Which large land animal is known for its long neck? Giraffe. What vitamin does sunlight help your body produce? Vitamin D. Which large cat is the national animal of India? Tiger. Which very cold country is covered mostly by ice and snow? Greenland. How many major parts is the human heart divided into? 4. Which gas do humans breathe out? Carbon dioxide. Which sea creature can regrow a lost arm? Starfish. Which part of a plant uses sunlight to make food? Leaves. Which Scandinavian country is famous for its fjords? Norway. What is the act of sitting quietly and focusing on your breath called? Meditation. Which major city is home to the Eiffel Tower? Paris. Which part of the eye is the colored circle? Iris. Which insect creates a large web to catch its prey? Spider. Which large country is located on the North American continent north of the USA? Canada. Which small sea creature is often red and has a hard shell? Crab. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? Saturn. Which small bird can hover in the air by rapidly flapping its wings? Hummingbird.
How many questions did you get right? Tell us your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed this quiz, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Keep your brain active and check out our next quiz video right now.